The last month, we were talking about healing and how to heal from chronic pain. And we touched into the nervous system, the brain connection with the body. And one of the members asked, how can we use that feminine energy to amplify healing? And what are the benefits of using the feminine energy to amplify healing? And that's when we decided to actually have a whole meeting about that because it's such an important topic. The next meeting, we're going to be exploring how can you use your feminine energy to amplify the healing. Then we're still going to incorporate the concept of the brain and body connection. We're still going to be using the neuroplasticity. We're still going to use that energy to regulate our nervous system, but the feminine energy does make things easier to heal. Then what if you could tap into the energy to help you to heal faster? Then make sure that you join our next workshop that you can learn more about that.